Get money.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be fixing the Speedo problem I got. I don't know if it's really a problem, but I guess it's a problem. But my Speedo isn't right. I got this cool little app here that's showing me how fast I'm going, which I'm going 33, but on the gauge here it's showing 40. And the reason behind that is because earlier in the year I changed out the ring and pinions on both axles here on my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. Went ahead and decided to get some new gears going on. Got 33s on this thing. It's lifted. Wanted to help it out a little bit, help out the drivability, and it really did. But now I have the problem with the Speedo is wrong. So I'll be going on the highway at 70 miles an hour, and really I'm going about 65, or if I'm going, it shows me 80, I'm going 75. So the way you correct that is through one of these little gears here that basically change the number of teeth and will correct the gear here. This is actually located in the transfer case. It's a real easy swap. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that today, and hopefully I picked the right gear, because they make a ton of different gears. Hopefully I picked the right gear, and we'll see if it actually fixed or gets a little bit closer to where it used to be before I change the gears out. There's actually a chart that'll show you kind of which direction to go, which gear to look for, or how many teeth and what color it is. I'll leave a link down in the description box below for that chart. Take you to that chart if you need some help figuring out which gear to pick. So I'll go ahead and show you how to swap this little guy out real quick. Alright, so under the Jeep right here, all you gotta do is loosen up this guy right here. The gear is located in here. Take this guy off. There's a little painter bracket right there. Okay, just gonna wiggle this guy out. Okay, come right out. Be a little juicy. All I have to do is just pull that guy right off, put the new one right on. Here's my new one. It's a little different. New one. Stick it right on there. Bam, just like that. Easy peasy. Where it needs to go. You gotta clock it a certain way, and then you're gonna work it back in there. Might have to put it like that. Get the bracket to line up. Bring it back a little bit. See if that works. Back up. Hopefully I have this aligned right. I'll go on the test drive and find out here in a second. Alright, let's see how close I got the gear. crank it up to about 30. Oh, yeah, 30 and 30, cool. It's actually a little fast, and this might be a little bit slow because it's an app, you know, it runs off GPS. That's pretty cool. Got my speedo back. Really simple. Really simple. Go a little further, see what's up. Alright, it seems to be dead on. Well, that's it for this video. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. And again, I'll leave that link down below for that chart. That'll help you out if you end up doing a gear change on your Jeep. Later.
You're out of fucking money. You're out of fucking money.